and I saw my sister, Xiu Ling. She's enjoying her lifestyle, her time, and her financial freedom. And that's when I decided to join Avita. I'm glad I made the right choice.
Initially, Mary hit many roadblocks when she first joined Avita business. However, under the Avita's professional education system and the leadership of the elite leaders, the challenges were no longer unattainable. By building her team from the scratch, Mary realized that she must shoulder the responsibility of an Avita elite leader to lead her network to the next level. Through her efforts and dedication, Mary became a Diamond President of Avita in 2018.
Have passion in whatever you do. Share with passion, people will feel it. In life, there is always a choice. My life, my choice.